Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change accessibility timeout in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to accessibility. And here select timing controls. Here select time to take action, accessibility timeout. Click on it, and here default timing has been already selected. If you want to increase timing, click on 10 seconds or 30 seconds or 1 minute up to 2 minutes. You can set this accessibility timing means sometimes you may get temporary messages that ask you to take action. Okay, so if you want to show how long it should be displayed in your screen, that the temporary messages should be displayed in your screen. Okay, that timing is here accessibility shortcut. Okay, so if you want to change this accessibility timing, if you want to keep the messages long, then you can choose 2 minutes. Okay, if you want to keep this message those messages for medium timing, you can choose 30 seconds. Okay, or otherwise if you want to use minimum time, okay, minimum default time, click on the first option, default. So in this way you can easily choose between available options, default 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute and 2 minutes. Okay, in this way you can easily change accessibility timeout in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.